What's going on, y'all? It's Brandon Henschel here, your dance professor. I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Welcome to the channel. Today you're going to be learning the Fortnite Hey Now emote, but before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that noti bell so you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And comment down below, let me know if there's another emote you want me to do. I read the comments and I will make a list of them and I will put them here and we'll do them on the channel. And don't forget, next time you are in the item shop, use code DanceProfessor, hook up the channel, support your boy. Super appreciate it. All right, you guys ready to learn this Hey Now emote? Let's do it. All right, you guys, so this is how you do the Fortnite Hey Now emote. You don't have to worry about reversing anything. I'm gonna face you. Video's been flipped, so this is your right hand, right foot, left foot, okay? Just follow me exactly, kind of like Simon Says, without the Simon. Here we go. So, what you're gonna do is, why don't you go ahead and once you start like this, okay? Go ahead and put your hands up, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop down and point. Hey! Just like that. Then you're gonna go, look, look. Then you're gonna come together. Boom, just like that. Easy peasy, right? This is a simple emote. I think you guys are gonna smash it. So try that again. Ready? 7, 8. You're gonna drop down. Da, 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 da. And from here, you're gonna go right hand, left hand, left hand. Now, keep your legs kind of together. Stay on your toes, and all you're gonna do is turn your knees out. I'm gonna face this way real quick, just so you can kind of see. Bending forward, my weight's going forward on my toes, so that lets you have these little wobble knees as they go in and out. If you're flat-footed, you can't really do it as well, but if you push everything forward and you get onto your toes, so your heels almost come up, then you have range of motion there to make your feet kind of wobble in and out. All you're doing with your hands is this. Hey, 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 hey. Just swing them forward, just like that. It's that simple. Put it together with your feet, looks like this. You're gonna go right, left, okay? Then from there, you're gonna step out to the left. Your left hand's gonna go over the top of your right. You're gonna come back, you're gonna clap. Do the same thing, but step to the other side now. To the right, boom. Then you're gonna tap your shoulder, you're gonna go look, look, flip the hands up to then push. Then from here you go and down, 2, 3, and 4. Boom, hit, 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 hit. Go swim to the left, swim to the right, go shoulder, shoulder, flip up here, okay? So, that's all of it basically in a nutshell. Let's go ahead and let's do it one more time with counts. If you need to, pause the video, go back, rewind it, do that a whole bunch more times. I'll do it slow. We'll do slow and then we'll do fast. How's that, okay? Because I know I kind of just threw that out there. But again, I think that for those of you that have been doing a lot of these emotes with me, you're gonna nail this. It's gonna be easy peasy, right? And it's a fun emote to do because it's not like super crazy, super high stress and like all over the place. It's a little more chill, like, yeah, what's up? You could be at the lunch quad at school, right? Huh. And everyone's like, whoa, what's up? All right, so let's go ahead and let's go slow. It's gonna go like this. 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go, my best friend and your best friend, sitting by the fire. Swim to the left and swim to the right. Da, 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 go higher. Hey now, hey now. Da, 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 da. Go da, 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 da. Okay? I know I said I was going to go slow and then fast. We kind of just did it fast right away. So again, if you need to, pause the video, go back, rewind it, and do it a bunch more times until you feel comfortable. Get one move at a time. Think of it as stacking, okay? So if the only thing you got is boom, like that, that's cool. Then just get that. Then add the head. Boom, look, look. Okay? Do that like 10 times. Then go boom, look, look, come together. That's your 3 moves right there, your first 3 moves. And just keep building onto it. Add another move as you go through the choreography and stack it one move after another until you got them all. That's basically what we do as professional dancers. We just do it at a much faster pace because, you know, we do it for a living, so it's easier for us. But if this is your first time doing it, or even if like it's not your first time, but you're just kind of learning, it's a great way to learn. Stack the moves one after another. Pause the video, do the same move over and over again, go back, look at it, then add the next move. Okay? If you guys want to try this out with the skin and the music, click the link in the description box below. It'll take you to the actual skin and music portion of this. It's copywritten, so this is just the tutorial, just to teach you guys how to do it. So click that link, you can head over to the other video, and that one you can do with the music and the skin and with me. Cool? As always, guys, thank you guys so much for dancing with me today. If you have any other emote requests, put them in the description box. Don't put them in the description box. Put them in the comment section. You can't go to the description box. It's my channel. Go to the comment section. Tell me what kind of an emote you want me to do. Until then, as always, guys, hashtag keep dancing. We'll see you next week. Peace out.